super excited about our next box that's coming up. It is the bee box. So everyone's talking about bees at the moment and insects and pollinators and how with climate change they're really being impacted, and actually the long-term impact of that could be quite catastrophic for humans. So it's essential that we start looking at how we can support and save our bumblebees in particular. And so this box explores different types of bumblebees. I have learnt so much. There are so many more species of bumblebee, even just in the UK, than I ever knew. We've got bumblebee trump cards in there, so you can really understand the different types of species and how they work. We have activities around making bee hotels. There are bee bombs in there. Lots of things around how bumblebees and flowers interact with each other, and there are absolutely fascinating ways that flowers communicate with bumblebees to attract them to their flower, and vice versa. The biology and the physiology of a bumblebee, how that helps to pollinate so effectively. It is going to be a super awesome box, and I am really excited, particularly because we're working with the Bumblebee Conservation Trust to bring you this box. So 50p from every box that we sell is going to be donated to ongoing conservation work for bumblebees.